Hello reception, it's Miss Hush here and we're going to be doing our set 1 speed sound review today. Focusing on the sound qu, 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 qu. Let's have a look at the picture side of the card. So we have got, look, a beautiful queen who's wearing beautiful jewellery and she's got her hair in a lovely long plait. So when we see this side, we say qu, queen, qu, queen, qu, queen, qu, queen. Well done. And if we turn it over, look, we've got 2 letters, make 1 sound. Special friends, qu, 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 queen, qu, qu, queen, qu, qu, queen, qu. Your turn. Last time. Well done, that was brilliant. Right, this time we're going to spot qu in the pack. So when you see it, you're going to point and you're going to say qu. In it goes. Last time, in it goes. Super job, well done. You spotted qu in the pack. Thank you for doing the speed sound review with me. Bye.